So today we are going to be unboxing a Teespring shirt, super exciting. I did standard shipping and it's not a premium t-shirt, so it's a normal tank top that I got from a design that I created. So feel free to check it out, link in the description below. Feel free to hit the like and subscribe button as well and help us grow. So this is the packaging that it comes in. Pretty standard packaging, nothing special. It doesn't really say Teespring anywhere. It doesn't, have your logo or your storefront name anywhere on here. So again, this is it. You can just open it. This is my first time opening it, so give you my honest opinion. Okay, so I got the charcoal gray medium tank top here. So this is the size, if it means anything. In terms of the material, it's 100% cotton. It feels good, actually. It doesn't feel, too stiff, and the material feels fine. Just because it's 100% cotton, I would recommend getting a slightly larger size just in case if it does shrink, because cotton does do that. In terms of the font and the logo, you can go ahead and see it up close as well. So it's printed on there really well. Actually, I'm pretty happy with it. And it doesn't stick out at all. So it's integrated into the shirt really well. I'm really happy with this design. Yeah, so this is the first one that I've created. Let's see. So in terms of stretchability, it's fine. Again, so if you have anything that's 100% cotton, it's really similar material. I guess overall the packaging experience, I don't love it. I know packaging is really important for customers, but in terms of the shirt quality, it's great. I just wish that the packaging had something bigger and bolder that said Teespring, or it had something related to your storefront name on it. Aside from that, it's pretty standard. The shipping, there are different shipping options. The one that I chose was 7 days and it came on time, so there were no issues with shipping times at all. Quality of the print on itself, again, I just did a font and a logo with a light gray white font color. So yeah, I think it shows up pretty well. And it, again, doesn't stick out. So the print quality on here looks great. Material is 100% cotton. So all of that information is definitely on the site. The things that are not on the site are kind of like how stretchable and the material feel. And looking at the material up close in person as opposed to just the website mock-up. So yeah, overall, I would say 9, 10 out of 10. Good, pretty much what you would expect. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And what I'll do right now is I'm gonna show you what it looks like on me. Very comfortable tank. Let me get closer so you guys can actually see the material. Stepping over the wires. So yeah, this is what it looks like when it's worn. So yeah, this is what it looks like when it's worn. Again, stretchability is fine. Everything's pretty comfortable. And I think it makes a great workout shirt. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Bye guys.